Scotty.
Yes.
Have you been polishing Mo's lid?
Yes. Well, we don't.
It looked pretty gross.
It was. I mean, you can see the difference.
Yeah, there was overspray all over it from.
Exactly, and it's stuff like that where, because I did paint, body, and collision for a long time with one of my best friends, and he's amazing at it and taught me a lot of things that I didn't really know.
And he's gonna
would like to think I knew everything and was taught completely differently.
And he's gonna do this car.
Yes, he's gonna be doing the
when we're done.
Car to make it right again. When you do any car, I don't care what it is, and you've got your proper tape lines, which this does. The tape lines on this are beautiful. You're supposed to take the engine bay. You don't leave things open in any way, shape, or form.
No, because scuzz gets on them.
Exactly. So now, here it is, however many years later, and I'm having to use rubbing compound to get this off. But
God, look at them night and day.
Nice.
Night and day.
So yeah.
Ooh, do a little spot.
Just listen. Hear the tone change?
Mm-hmm. Little demo. Wow, look at that.
So much nicer.
Yeah, and I can go a little more. But
oh yeah.
That's looking good.
Today we don't have parts for almost any car. Everything's running late.
Yeah.
So it's nickel and dime stuff. Let's do this. Let's do that. You know.
Water pump's on.
Exactly. Water pump's on.
I want to finish the AC compressor mounting and brackets, so we have that. We can kind of start figuring it out.
So we're just kind of tinkering until lunch.
Scotty's fine.
And then
going to route that wiring.
The rest of the wiring and lock it in place because we took care of all the alternator stuff. Oh yes, it does make it sweet.
Hey, you can pop that clip open, shove it in there. There you go. Beautiful.
There we go.
All right.
Mounted so that we have enough room for
adjustment.
That's
all of our wiring for the headlight motors.
Yep.
Scotty's doing this to make this thing look better, everybody feel better. I'm going to finish up our AC. And just like that, Mo, AC compressor mounted. Brackets are in. I got it just hanging.
Hold on.
Ooh.
We're going to add.
Scotty's doing a little bling work still.
Well, it's not 100% done, but it'll be
good.
I can add more time in at some point. And
yeah, we can pop it on there whenever. So, pump's on, ready to go as soon as the pulleys get here. And once those pulleys get here, then I can do all that, get the belts figured out, order our belts, and all of that is done, ready to go. And then that makes it so we can start putting everything in up here. Scotty, look at you. Not fully done, but you're there. Anyway, I got to get this for Mo. Look at that. Styling, baby. Compressor located. Ooh, Scotty. Very nice. Pretty.
There's still a little bit left to go, but I mean, like I said, I can add some time in on it and finish off the details, but
it's there. It's better. And this is good too. All right. So, now we're waiting on our pulleys.